Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to change aspect ratio using CapCut. First of all, you have to open your CapCut app. Open a new project, select a video, add it. Now, go to the ratio option. In this option, you can see there are many options. You can use any of them. I'm using this one. Please click on the right button. Now its ratio is changed. You can simply export it by tapping the arrow sign. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please press the bell icon if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.